Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and today I want to share with you three things that you can do to boost the traffic to your website. So right now I am looking at your website, your landing page for the Fort Worth and Dallas area, and just let's get into this. So in terms of the content and in terms of your layout, I like that you have click to call buttons and the links to the different back pages or pages in your website. You have the contact us form, you have the areas that you serve, testimonials, and you actually have a lot of information in your landing page for the Dallas areas and links to your social media account. In terms of the amount of content, right now you have 2,059 words. If I have a look at your competitors for that particular area, so we have Metro Garage Door Repair, Dallas, and they have 1,468 words, so a lot less, but they are ranking number one. And then we have Precision Door Service, their landing page for Dallas, and they have 861 words, and they are landing second. So perhaps worth having a look at the content, and more than the content, also having a look at how relevant is that content. And what I mean by that is that when I came here to Google, I type in garage door repair Dallas, which is a buyer intent keyword, and that is what people type in when they want to buy a service or a product. So the first section that Google is going to show is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive, and on the flip side as well, some people can actually turn them off, so they are able to skip them altogether. Now, the second section of the Google search is what we call the GMBs, or Google My Business profile. These ones are having a massive impact on businesses because this section here is driving 40% of the traffic. So that means that 4 out of 10 people are coming into here and clicking on the link that takes them directly to the website of these businesses. So to rank at the top, you need three things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. So a citation is anywhere your business is listed on any directory such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, and all of those. The important thing here is that the details on those directories need to match those of your Google Business profile so that Google can verify you. And if they can, then they will give you credits for it. And if you have more reviews, more pictures, and more citations than your competitors, then you should be able to grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section of the Google search is what we call the organic search. And this is where I found the Metro Garage Door and Precision Door Dallas. So to rank at the top of the organic search is a combination of both content and also backlinks. So to analyze the back end of a website, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and this one is showing me that for your Fort Worth and Dallas landing page, you have 22 backlinks and 15 referring domains directing traffic to that page. So that means that there are 22 links in 15 external websites that drive traffic to your Dallas website, to your Dallas page. Now let's have a look at your competitors. So Metro Garage Doors, they have 5,000 backlinks in 1,000 referring domains. And if I look at Precision Door Dallas, they have 2,670 backlinks in 65 referring domains. The important thing to note here is that not all backlinks are created equal. So it's not only about having more backlinks, but also having powerful backlinks sitting in websites that are related to your service and to your industry and to your niche so that Google can identify that and can regard you as an authority. So that's important to note. Now, the other thing that I wanted to share with you is in terms of the organic keywords. So for this particular page, for Dallas and Fort Worth, you are being ranked for 108 organic keywords. And this dashboard here shows me what those keywords are. So this dashboard shows me the keyword, and the volume shows me the search volume. So that's the number of times this keyword was searched for in Google. And then the position. So that's the position that you are ranking in the Google search. So it's basically telling me that 600 people searched for garage door repair Fort Worth, Texas, and that you are appearing in position number 29 for that keyword. Anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the second page of Google. So for all of these keywords here that are buyer intent keywords with these search volumes, so 600, 250, 150, your potential customers did not see your website because you are not on the front page of Google. Now, if I have a look at Metro Garage door repair, and I have a look at the organic keywords that are being ranked for 5,200 keywords. And they are targeting keywords such as Garage Door Dallas 500, Dallas Garage Door Repair 400, Garage Door Repair Dallas 1,200. And look, they are ranking number 1 and 2. So at the end of the month, or you can actually add up these search volumes, and this is the number of times your website could be in front of potential customers. Then if you actually have a percentage of those clicking on the link that takes them to your website, then a percentage of those are actually going to reach out to you. And then a percentage of those, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into customers, increasing your revenue. So that's the importance of actually being able to drive more traffic to your website, because more traffic translates into more customers and into more revenue, resulting in the growth of your business. So if you like what you saw on this video, you can actually go ahead and implement it yourself. There's no strings attached, but you can also just feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation with me. My name is Viviana, and my contact details are at the bottom of this email. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.